Can you tell the people a little bit about Yields to start with?
Yeah, sure. So Yields is a Belgian scale-up company, and we're focusing on model risk management. Model risk is the risk that an organization takes when they use mathematical models. So especially in financial industry, plenty of models, of course, but any organization that is using, for instance, ML or AI might have issues with bias, with fairness, for instance, and our platform helps addressing those issues to make sure that models are operated in a robust and reliable fashion.
Great. And you know, in the insurance business, we use models all the time to make decisions. So I'm admittedly super high on your company. But tell the group why you decided to be part of the CDL cohort.
Well, the CDL program, and especially it's because of its focus on risk, was extremely appealing for us for a few reasons. First of all, one of the key challenges for a founder is to make sure that we focus our attention on the right topics. And the entire program is organized in such a way that very experienced mentors help you to actually prioritize those topics. So you actually spend your time wisely. And this, I think, was extremely helpful over the last 6 months. And then next to that, of course, it's a unique opportunity to speak with other people with a huge experience, especially in risk and data science. And then as well, we are, of course, also working on the funding round, and it's a great opportunity to get in touch with potential investors. But indeed, the immediate value is that we were able to close a few large deals and also set up partnerships with the important counterparties. And this is to a large extent also thanks to the help that we got from mentors to help us focus on certain aspects of our business. And this is extremely important. And this then put us in a position to start raising funds, which is again another place where the mentors have helped a lot in improving or pitch or positioning and getting in touch with the right investors.
Sounds great. Is there a particular moment throughout the course of the program that pops in your head that was particularly meaningful to you?
Yeah, well, there was one moment where somehow suddenly both Pat and Gary kind of suddenly saw this immense opportunity that there is today because of, well, we have always been talking about model risk and finance, but then of course, yeah, well, you mentioned, David, insurance is using plenty of models, but then the entire AI industry is looking into issues related to bias and fairness. And suddenly this kind of became clear to both mentors and ourselves that actually there is this huge opportunity next to the one that we are pursuing here. And this was definitely a very memorable moment.
Awesome. Well, I will keep my eye on you guys, and thank you for doing this very much.
My pleasure, David.